To manage Apple Pay NFC payments, start by setting up Apple Pay on your Apple device. Open the Wallet app and tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a credit or debit card. Enter your card details and agree to the terms and conditions. Your bank will verify your information, and once verified, your card is added to Apple Pay. Next, make sure your device is compatible with NFC payments. Apple Pay works on iPhone 6 and later models, as well as Apple Watch and other Apple devices. To make a payment, hold your device near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You will see a confirmation on the screen and hear a beep when the payment is successful. To manage your Apple Pay cards, open the Wallet app and tap on a card to see its details. You can remove a card by swiping left on it and tapping Delete. You can also add multiple cards and set a default card for payments. To do this, open the Wallet app, tap and hold on the card you want to set as default, and drag it to the front of the other cards. When making payments, make sure to keep your device and cards secure. Use a passcode, Touch ID, or Face ID to protect your device, and keep your cards up to date to avoid any issues with payments. If you lose your device or card, you can suspend or remove your cards from Apple Pay remotely using the Find My iPhone app or by contacting your bank. Best practices for managing Apple Pay NFC payments include regularly reviewing your transactions and keeping your device and cards secure. You should also be aware of the payment limits and any fees associated with using Apple Pay. By following these steps and best practices, you can manage your Apple Pay NFC payments easily and securely.